Well, the Supreme Court's new Associate Justice is wrapping up her first day on the job. Amy Coney Barrett's first votes on the court could also include two big topics affecting the man who appointed her. Local 22's Dana Casulo now with more.
Days before the election, President Trump's third pick for the nation's highest court was sworn in. During her confirmation hearing, Judge Amy Coney Barrett said her personal views wouldn't influence her judicial decision-making. Associate Professor of Political Science at SUNY Plattsburgh, Dr. Raymond Carmen says everyone would have a hard time trying to separate their personal beliefs from issues they care about.
It's hard to imagine that someone's beliefs that are so central to who they are, they would be able to put those aside when casting votes on issues that are very salient to those beliefs.
With a 6-3 conservative majority on the court, some people are worried about women's rights. A UVM associate professor of gender and sexuality in women's studies says she cares a lot about the world her daughter inherits.
I worry very much that sort of her reproductive rights are under assault.
Ellen Anderson says she's concerned about women being able to make fundamental decisions such as when to have a family and whether to have a family, and how to balance working against raising children.
Those decisions are going to get a lot harder for women.
Although Anderson says this won't be a problem for people in Vermont.
Vermont has made it very clear that as state policy, it protects reproductive choices.
In other states, this isn't the case. Constitutional law professor Jared Carter says if Americans want to see change within the government, they must be engaged in activism, protest, and voting.
There's an old line that says you can't be neutral on a moving train, and our train is moving. Our country, our society is moving. And if we want to be part of directing where that goes, then we've got to participate.
Dana Casulo, Local 22 News.